Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to start mowing our second cutting hay. I am standing here. I got the mower all hooked up and greased up. It's ready to go. We are just waiting on Dad to get here with some hydraulic oil because the mower needs a little bit and the tractor needs a couple gallons. Two fields are done and we are moving on to the third one now. Good morning. It is now the next day and we got the mowing done, everything we wanted to get done. And so now we are going to take the 4440. Dad fixed the tire on it yesterday while I was mowing, and we are going to take it and get the tedder on it. So I just gotta go around and pick up all of these tire changing tools and put them away. It held air overnight, so that means we should be all set. So I aired this tube up. It had two holes in it, one about right in this area and one around in this area, but also it's got a Torr valve stem, so this tube is pretty much junk at this point in time. So we will have to run and grab another one, I think. We'll see if they have a tire. I think this kind of looks like just a generic wheelbarrow tire. You can see it's down to cords in this spot. So yeah, we'll see if we can get a hold of a tire for this. They're 4.88. The tube is a 3.58, so just a little bit narrower, I think. Good morning, guys. So we are leaving the tedder to be done another day. We found a wheel off of one of our old forage harvester heads, and so we need to take the tire off, put it on that one and all that, but we don't have time because the hay we have tedded yesterday is ready to be raked and baled now, and probably the last field I needed to do can probably be raked up and baled too, so we'll check that. But Dad and Uncle Billy left. They have to go pick up our backhoe. It's down at one of the fields. It's a farm and we do some work down there, and so the hydraulics went out on the backhoe, so they're down there picking it up to bring it back here to fix it. I just went through and greased the hay rake, and we are gonna go out and start raking and knock it out real quick. It shouldn't take too long, a couple hours, and so yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I got the rows done on the first field and made a couple rows in the next field, and a wheel completely fell apart on the rake. It's ridiculous. Yeah, so these two clamps just completely loosened up. This whole wheel, all the clamps are loose, so that one was about to go. And there's another wheel around here somewhere that's got a bunch of loose ones. That one. And that one's got loose clamps as well. So this whole rake just about fell apart on me. Behind me here is 23 bales of second cutting hay. We just finished it tonight. and getting ready to head home. We still have one more field left to go, and might get 4 bales off of it if we're lucky. And so we have a season total now of 173 bales. And this second cutting is some pretty good looking stuff. It did take some effort to get it off the field with the rake breaking, and the automatic is having some hiccups now. It just flat out dies on you randomly, basically. So we got to get that looked at, get it fixed. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.